Hey, sing that line once again.
Happiness.
Hey, not like that. Happiness.
Happiness.
Let's sing for happiness. Yes.
Let us dance with the rhythm. Let us dance.
Let us move with the rhythm. Let us move. We'll enjoy.
Is your officer there?
He has gone for an important meeting.
Happiness. Let's sing
Who
for
are you?
happy. I'm SI Veluthambi.
What? You're a Thambi? In Janamaitri Nagar, in SI Velu Thambi's house, yesterday night there was a thief. We have taken him to our custody now. The one who gave idea is escaped. You better go and inform your officer. Wherever he tries to hide, he cannot escape from us.
Happiness. Let's sing for happy.
You can never fool me, got it?
Sir, how did you get inside?
I have started on Magic Academy. Will you join? Get inside. You think police station is a playground? Rascals.
Another thing to say. You're supposed to hit her only after she goes to sleep, right?
121.
You tried to tie a girl and hit her. Is this a right way?
There is no right and wrong in this place.
127.
Now tell me,
132.
why did you make the Xavier to do all these things? Huh?
We didn't send him. He has done all this because he was drunk.
139.
He was drunk. He almost weighs around 120 kilos and he looks like a monster. On top of it, black paint. How dare he enter our house? I know him very well. That guy doesn't have any guts to do all this alone.
You are saying as if we are responsible for this?
You don't have to act so smart.
Don't you want to see your friend? The one who scared the whole Janamaitri Nagar? Cicely?
Just by turning off the light, take an iron rod, hit hands, legs and everywhere. That's a simple job.
The monster has turned into a tiny fellow now.
Once again, if you do this, you'll pay for it.
I'll take care of you later.
I'll break your another leg also.
How did this went wrong, Xavier?
Oh, you don't know. Cecily's left hand, right hand, everything got confused.
That is why we tell to hold the clutch. You have to be strong in at least one thing, either in left or in right. Especially rowdies. Do you understand, mental fellow?
To lay down a bypass near the town, we have to start the land acquisition. The cabinet has asked us to finish it very soon. We have to send the notice to every single landowner. How many properties have been listed out?
There are 55 houses and we have sent the notice 2 years back itself.
Any objections?
There are no objections as of now. Anyway, let us find out.
To discuss about the compensation strategy, we need to fix a meeting with MLA very soon.
Yes, sir.
Okay, do it with immediate effects. And also give a press release.
Sir. Where's Dad?
He's in the room.
What, Dad? Why the surprise visit?
He got upset after watching TV news.
Oh, is that the case? This is not the first time, right? This issue is there from many years.
But this news is very shocking to me because I born and brought up here. All of a sudden, how can I leave this place?
Hey, what, Dad? Just for this one? After having 2 pegs, you won't talk like this.
Not like that. Still, how long will I be alive? How can I shift to the new place altogether? You tell me. We are all old people, right?
Dad, because of that bypass project, many people are vacating the houses. Compared to their problems, ours is a trivial issue.
It's all because of your complaint letter. You mentioned traffic jam in a Karakot junction. See what happened now?
Mom, so what should we do for that? Demolishing the house is okay. When the road comes, the value of the remaining property will go up to 4 times. With that amount, we can definitely buy a good property. Don't worry about it.
You trapped from your own complaint.
Okay. Hey, you go over there. I need to give some medicine to Dad.
Okay, I know. For this, right?
Hey, go, man, naughty boy.
Go and get some water.
Okay.
Here, just have 2 pegs. You'll forget everything. Only 2 pegs, okay? The remaining bottle is for me.
Is this small bottle for both of us? That is not going to happen. Go bring the
I
water.
know the buffalo is very thirsty. Dad, let's go.
Yeah, I'm coming.
We are also ready.
Where are you guys going?
To see the house?
Oh, you don't have to go over there. We'll go and sort it.
What you're telling is not right. Let her also choose her house. Call an auto and take her also.
That's right. Better you both go and see the house. Because that should be your choice, right?
Hey, leave that, Dad. It won't work out. Both of you are spoiling my wife. Damodar sir is waiting for us. Let us go to the spot.
In that case, you all get inside. We both will see the house. Come, let's
You're
go.
always on your feet following me, carrying your bag unnecessarily.
Okay, come.
Did you like the house?
Yes, yes. Okay, Vijay, leave.
Yeah.
Vijayna, about the documents.
Yeah, I will take care of that.
Dad, do you like the house?
Yeah, go in. It's very nice.
It looks decent.
Nice place for boozing. Is it confirmed?
I think it's almost confirmed. We'll get it registered next week. By the way, who are you?
I'm Thambi. Velu Thambi. Actor. No. I'm SI over here.
Oh,
hello.
He's Xavier Kuber. Businessman.
What happened to your leg?
Road is not proper, right?
I think the road is proper only.
Yeah. You're new to this
Yes,
area,
sir.
right? You'll understand slowly. Whatever it is, it's better you order for this stick. Why?
Before you make any kind of decision, we are not speaking anything. We welcome you to Janamaitri Nagar.
Huh.
See you.
Shall I ask you an important question?
Uh,
Where is the wine shop over here?
Hey, it is right there.
Oh, is it there? Okay.
What is this, Dad?
Simply.
Sheh.
By the way, why did he told us to order the steak? Isn't it like mocking something?
What mocking? Just look at the road. Is there any problem with it? Compared to all other roads, this one is much better. I think it is drink and drive case. It does not have your capacity.
Whatever it is, I liked one thing.
What is it?
As it says, our neighbor need not worry for the thieves.
Oh, thieves are better. They just steal our things. They won't scare us. Why does Dad behave like this? He has no concern about the neighborhood or the location. All he wants is a wine shop nearby, that's it. Huh, Manju? It is bigger than this house. For the four of us, it looks like a palace. The house is a bit old. After getting it painted, it won't be a problem. The outside work can be sorted later on. There's one thing which actually makes you very happy. The kitchen is very beautiful. Trust me. Hey, are you listening to me?
I'm just listening. What else can I do? You will only see the house, you will only decide. Ladies are not supposed to give their opinions, right? That is what your policies are.
I think you've not yet understood me. Who knows about your likings apart from me in this whole world? When I was searching for the house, I knew what your likings were. I can look at the house on behalf of you. Huh?
Very first time in our life, we are buying a new house. Any girl would like to go with her husband and look for that new house. Sitting behind your scooter, very close to you.
Why are you behaving like a small kid? Are you sad because I went with my dad? If I hadn't taken him with me, he would have felt sad.
It's going to hurt you if your father feels sad. And what about my feelings? You don't care at all.
What is this? Why would you think like that? What are you lacking over here?
No, what am I lacking over here? I'm very happy. Wake up in the morning, go to the kitchen, cook something, serve you food, eat that. But I'm not supposed to talk about my desires. That is how a wife should be. And that is a woman.
Sleep. Don't talk anymore. Turn this side. Look at me. Sweetheart, don't be angry.